What's up, guys? Rob here, and Matt, one of our performance specialists, here in a 996 cab C2 base. So, Matt, what do we got on this car?
Our customer, a little bit of an older customer, he decided to go with the full sport performance exhaust system. You got headers, our Sport Cat X-Pipe, as well as our Maxflo mufflers. And he needed it because his OEM mufflers had officially blown out. He does not pass inspection. It was a big need, and he's going to pick up some nice horsepower, nice sound.
So, full exhaust, right? So that's headers all the way out to the tips.
All the way out to the tips.
And it is nice sounding.
Yeah, it does sound nice. Feels more responsive.
Oh yeah. How much power did he pick up?
Altogether, he's probably looking at around 30 plus to the wheel. Right around there, and about 56 pounds of torque to the feet-pounds of torque.
That's a lot of torque.
A
lot of power down low.
And a lot of power.
Oh yeah. So the other thing's nice about the Sport Cat is no check engine light, right, Matt? So
guaranteed no check engine light. He's going from his very restrictive 800 cell cats to our 200 cell Sport Cats. We're getting the 90 to 93% more airflow coming through. Basically a straight pipe, but no check engine light.
Right, exactly. So you got all the benefits. You'll pass an inspection everywhere except for California, and it sounds great. And we warranty it for 5 years.
5 year warranty on top of our lifetime warranty on our system.
Right, so 5 years on the cats and lifetime on the rest of the system. And it sounds great. I'll tell you what, being a full exhaust system, headers back, you expect it to be kind of too rowdy to just kind of putz around and have a conversation, but
this is enjoyable.
You can hear we're in here just having a convo. It's not droning. It's nice, honestly.
That's great too, huh?
Oh yeah, that is a nice sound right there.
Let's go, we're going to the beach.
Let's take it down to Jersey right now. Oh yeah. So another big benefit is the weight loss back there, right? It took a good amount of weight off. Do you know how much?
I think we lost about 25 pounds of weight.
25 pounds?
Yep.
That's significant, especially right off the tail end of a car.
It's a huge amount.
Of an already rear biased car, so that's nice to even it out a little bit.
That's a huge amount of weight.
Oh yeah. All right, on ramp, here we go. From first gear here.
Yeah, let's get that a little smooth.
All right. So we're just cruising here, highway speeds at about 65, 70, top gear. How you feeling?
Feels great, comfortable, top off. We're having a nice conversation.
Yeah. Just smooth. I mean, really, no drone.
I don't hear any drone. No
really
vibrations.
Nice. Really nice. And if you did want it louder, you could go with the Super Cup instead of the Maxflo, of course.
Absolutely. You'd probably pick up another 30% volume.
Yeah,
maybe
definitely.
A little bit of vibration around the 2,000 to 3,000, maybe.
Right. So if it's a weekend only car and you really want that aggressive sound, you can go with the Super Cup. But for a car that the wife's not going to complain about at all, and it's super easy, you can commute to work in this. The Maxflo is the way to go with this setup. Yeah. You really feel the power too. I mean, you can feel it in the seat of the pants.
It wants to go.
Absolutely. For a base Carrera, 996 Carrera, it wants to go.
Woo!
Should be an exit up there. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is a great car. Great car with our system on. I'll tell you what, man, it really woke it up.
Feels good.
It really does. Easy barn. Don't get too high on the RPMs.
Well, we're about to pull back in the shop now. I hope you guys enjoyed it, give you guys a sense of what the system sounds like when you're just in the car, top down driving. I think we both really enjoyed it, right, Matt?
I know I did.
Always a pleasure, always a pleasure. And you know, we always love when the customers say, you know, it's cool for us to get some media so we can show you guys what it sounds like. So hope you enjoyed the video, and
thanks for being a part of the team.
Absolutely.